Hey there, this is Dave Gardner, and I'm super excited to be getting into the next video with you right now. In this video, we're going to learn how to do a video redirect. And so I'm going to just run you through the process of actually doing a fresh new video and actually getting it into my blog and then showing you how it will actually redirect just by adding one other line and one other link in a really easy process. And so this is kind of a cool function because if you have a sales page and someone clicks the video, or if you have a blog and you want someone to go somewhere, after they've seen a certain specific video, you want them to go someplace else. This is a really cool function because you can start to direct and basically, make people flow where you want them to go. So we're just going to do a quick video here. I'm going to make it, just like 10 seconds, just so we can see it. And so we'll put my face on there. Maybe we'll change the lighting a little bit, make it a little brighter and make it better for me. All right, there I'm looking a little better, I guess. And so, all right, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, Dave Gardner here, Master Trainer, and I just want to walk you through the video redirect function with your video hosting software. And so all we're going to do is just take a few seconds here and make it happen. All right, so I'm going to save that, and we're going to play around a little bit. I'm just going to whip through the actual descriptions and things like that, just so we don't have to spend a lot of time on that. Because really, I want to get to the actual code and just show, but at the same time, I'm kind of walking you through the same process that you might be doing. Maybe you have different trainings, and you have a welcome video, and then as you're just introducing yourself, just say, hey, at the end of this video, you're going to go to the next video, and then it instantly goes there. So how to redirect with Viduber. Okay, Viduber video redirect, and then tags, for example, video redirect, how to redirect a video. All right, just going to keep it simple right there, and we're going to save it. And so once we have our video saved, whether it's a new video or whether it's an old video you've used before, what we're going to do is we're going to go into that video once it's ready. And now it's going to take a few, it might take a minute or two to upload and propagate and to get into the system and to be rendered. And so we've also talked about, putting in thumbnails or letting the system choose a thumbnail. And those are all in the training videos. If you, again, click on this orange tab at the top, you'll see a whole series of training videos. So here it is, my picture's already ready. So I'm going to click on it. What you need to do is click the watch video. And then when you click the embed button, at the very bottom, you see another line that says redirect URL. And when I click in here, what I want to do, I'm just going to put in some X's, and I want you to watch this area here just to show what happens. And notice it actually puts automatically the code that's in there. And so, for example, if we do this, I'm just going to throw in my Facebook page, for example. So facebook.com/TheDavidGardner. And so what will happen is once people finish watching the video, they will instantly be redirected to another page. And so what you're going to do once you've had the page that you want them to go to after this, what you're going to do is you're just going to click and highlight this whole thing. You can either do Control A or you can click and drag, and you need to go from basically the little caret there to the caret and get the whole thing in there. And you're going to do right click copy, or you're going to do Control C. Now we're going to go over to the blog, and I already have my blog set up where all I really need to do, I have one other part. Make sure I'm on the right post here. Here we go, Viduber video redirect. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click, this is my own, I'm using a totally independent WordPress blog and WordPress plugin and theme and stuff. And so you might have something similar to this. And what I'm adding in is a video, and where I have my video, I'm going to choose to add an embed code. And so when I choose my embed code, all I'm going to do is click paste or Control V. I could have done right click paste, and notice here's my video. It's a little smaller just for the preview on my website. So I'm going to close this, and actually off the screen I'm going to save. Again, we're not seeing everything, the whole thing, but I'm just going to give you a preview. And so we see a little black space, and when I click preview page, it's going to open up a new window, and there's my image of, again, where to do it. So again, you went and you clicked on a video, watch video, then you click the embed button, and then you put in the bottom the redirect URL. That's where you're going to add the link where you want them to go after. And so when we go in here, we're going to click on the video, and we're just going to watch it, and we'll see what happens.
Hey guys, Dave Gardner here,
So I'm just going to leave my mouse
and
there.
I just want to walk you through the video redirect function with your video hosting software. And so all we're going to do is just take a few seconds here and make it happen.
And so the video just ended, and notice now I didn't move my mouse or anything. I actually took my hand off the mouse, and it redirected to my Facebook fan page. And so that's a really, really cool function, again, and you can have them direct anywhere you want. And so all you need to do, again, is go there, and again, you can have your video. So let's say you have a member area and you have like multiple pages, and you want them to follow a process and to watch video 1, and then after video 1's done, they redirect to video 2, and then after video 2, video 3. And so super, super cool function. And that, again, is how you do the redirect function with your video hosting software. Again, this has been Dave Gardner. Thank you for watching along with this training video. Hopefully you found some immense value. If you have any questions or comments, you can always join us and hit us up in the Facebook group or support tab up top. We really want to hear about your successes with these tools and how you're actually implementing them into your niche, because we want to help the family out. So as I always say, you get out of it what you put into it. And the big question that I always have for you is, with all these awesome tools that you have, what will you create to make your legacy, and what will you create to help others so that you can make a difference in the world today?